Jersey City Public Schools, in partnership with OpenJC, took part in the Global Hour of Code, empowering tens of millions of students in over 180 countries by introducing them to computer coding. State Senator Sandra Cunningham, Council President Rolando Lavaro, and Jersey City Board of Education President Sangeeta Ranade were among the long list of elected officials who showed their support for the Hour of Code, which is part of an effort to close the diversity gap in technology fields by introducing more minorities and girls to coding earlier in their education. Jersey City School Superintendent Dr. Marsha Lyles spoke about her efforts to improve computer science in public schools, including issuing every child at MS-40 a Chromebook to prepare students to be both consumers and producers of technology.
We are looking at various ways to engage our students to make sure that they have the 21st century skills necessary for success. And I'd like to say it's really wonderful because, yes, they've received their Chromebooks and they've been participating. So our students are real consumers of technology. But the Hour of Code will give them a taste of being a producer of technology. And that is what we want them to do. Not only to receive, but to create, to own, and to generate.
Ward E Councilwoman Candice Osborne, who works full-time as a computer programmer, spoke about the shortage of technology skills in the U.S. labor market, which causes employers to outsource jobs to foreign workers.
It's neat to see that, we have leadership. We have Senator Cunningham, Mayor Fulop, people, all of my colleagues here on the council, everyone may not necessarily be a technologist, but they understand as consumers of technology how important it is. And so I'm going to say something slightly different, which is to say it's not just important for our future. It is the reality right now that we do not have talent in the workforce. We do not have people who we hire. I can't tell you how many people in my day job we hire from overseas. They're on work visas because we can't find people with the right skills here in the United States. So it's critical. I think the Hour of Code is an awesome, great start. I'd like to see the school system do the equivalent of, I took home economics in junior high. We learned how to sew. They actually taught us how to put makeup on, which I didn't do today. But skills that they thought were important for your life. And I'd like to see 6 weeks rotation with technology so that children can get the right foundation to understand that this is something I can do. This is within my reach, within my grasp. It's not hard. And it's so important not only for their future, but for the future of our economy in Jersey City, at the state, and at the entire United States level. So thank you for getting it started, and I look forward to seeing what else the school system and Code for America are going to be doing for our kids in JC.
Finally, Councilwoman at Large Joyce Watterman said the Hour of Code was a way to bridge the gap and create jobs to empower families and communities.
This day is an important day, and why this day is so important for me especially because this is a way we can bridge the gap on diversity, and not only that, to decrease poverty, because what we will do now is prepare our children for the future. So if we prepare our children for the future, that means when they finish school, they can get a job. And that means if they can get a job, they can impact their family. And if the family is impacted and empowered, then a community is impacted and empowered. And then the country is impacted and empowered. So I'm excited today because this is an opportunity for us to impact the world.
I'm Michael Shurin with Hudson County View, the eye of the community.